If you're a homeowner or a professional roofer, you know that having the right ladder is essential for getting the job done safely and efficiently. But with so many different types of ladders on the market, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. That's why we're here to help. In this video, we'll review the best roofing ladders on the market and help you choose the right one for your needs. Number 1. Jupitor 20 feet telescoping ladder. This ladder is made of aluminum, so it's very lightweight. This makes it easy to carry and maneuver, even when fully extended. The ladder can be extended from 5 feet to 20 feet. It's also very easy to extend and retract the ladder. The ladder is very sturdy, even when fully extended. The ladder also has a number of other features that make it user-friendly, such as non-slip treads, a stabilizer bar, and a carrying case. Number 2. LUISLADDERS SW SM403 Aluminium Ladder. This ladder is incredibly versatile, serving as a scaffold, leading ladder, stepladder, and more. It conveniently folds up to just 40.5 inch into 11 inch into 23.5 inch, making storage a breeze. It's compliant with EN 131 standards and can support a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds, ensuring your safety during use. The ladder features zigzag anti-slip foot straps, which help prevent it from sliding during use. Number 3. BOWEITI BJ3038 OR Telescoping Ladder. This ladder is made of high-quality aluminum alloy. It can handle a maximum load of 330 pounds or 150 kilograms. The BOWEITI BJ3038 OR incorporates a professional structural design that greatly enhances stability during use. The thickened pedal and solid structure significantly improve safety during use. It's EN 131 safety standard, certified with a remarkable bearing capacity up to 330 pounds. Number 4. Qimu Telescoping Portable Ladder. This ladder is crafted from high-quality, durable aluminum alloy, built to last. It meets EN 131 standards and can support a whopping 330 pounds or 150 kilograms of weight, whether you're changing light bulbs or working on a home improvement project. This ladder has your back. Plus, it won't leave a scratch on your walls. The aluminum construction makes it incredibly lightweight, and it can be easily assembled and disassembled. Number 5. VEVOR Telescoping Aluminum Ladder. This ladder can hold up to 375 pounds, making it one of the strongest telescoping ladders on the market. The ladder has been upgraded with new materials and construction methods to ensure that it's stable and safe to use, even when fully extended. The ladder weighs just 29 pounds and collapses to a compact size, making it easy to carry and store. The ladder can be retracted at any length with the press of a button. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you learn more about choosing the best ladder for roofing. Remember, safety is always paramount when working on a roof. So make sure to choose a ladder that's rated for the weight you'll be carrying, and that has all of the necessary safety features. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.